Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
We are inside the mega factory, exploring the secrets of mineral water bottle production, starting with the purification process.
Check this sample.
It meets the specifications. The neck finish is precise.
All right, easy on the lift. Bring it left now, watch the guide pins, slow down. Okay, lower it into position.
Vault of Civilizations production update. 500 ml line, running at peak efficiency. Keep monitoring the flow displays.
As we move along the filling line, you can see the sheer volume. These automated systems ensure that every bottle is precisely filled before moving on to the next stage. From the Vault of Civilizations, we see how these autonomous systems handle the massive scale of storage, moving thousands of pallets every day.
All right, easy back. Hold it there. Clear the bay, we're ready for the next pallet.
Bracket secured. Reconnecting the power now.
Clear on the line.
Motor engaging. We have movement on the conveyor.
As you can see on the display, the water reaches 99.99% purity here. This rigorous purification process is
Rate dropped to 1950. Check the capping machine sensors now.
Efficiency is back up.
Excellent. We'll hit the 3 million goal.
Generator test starting.
The scale of this operation is truly staggering. These conveyor belts move thousands of bottles every hour, showcasing the incredible speed of modern automation.
Use the controller to engage the emergency stop sequence. Press the red button now. Confirmed. The machine is secure.
Here it is, the millionth bottle. Great job, everyone.
It looks perfect! A milestone for the team.
Attention all lines. We are currently exceeding target output for the quarter. Maintain current speed.
All units, gate 1 is clear. Next up is truck 55 for inspection. Keep the flow moving.
Is this spring water?
Yes, it is.
Show efficiency trend last 24 hours.
Production rate peaking at 2,000 bottles per minute with 98.5% efficiency.
These holographic displays summarize the advanced analytics powering the entire production line, ensuring efficiency around the clock.
Two meters down.
From tiny PET pellets to these 20 loaded pallets, we've covered the entire manufacturing journey. Now, these bottles are ready for global delivery.
Drill. Evacuation drill.
We just passed 3.2 million for the day, beating the target by 7%.
That's excellent news. Well done to the whole team.
As the sun rises on a new era of production, the scale of our civilization's needs is clear.
Wow, we hope you enjoyed watching how plastic bottles are made inside the amazing factory. From tiny plastic pellets to millions of finished bottles. It's incredible to see how much technology and hard work going into every single bottle you buy at the store. We love making this video for you and we want to know which factory process would you like to see next. Maybe car tires, smartphones, chocolates, sneakers, or something else. Let us know in the comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to World of Civilization and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next factory tour. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Yalla, bye bye.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.